I still subscribed.
I'm going to find a way to do
Hello,
it. Trevor, is there a way to delete videos off of YouTube?
No.
Maybe there is. I'm going to make it quick.
Hello, YouTube. Today, this is my sister. These are Lego figures that you're going to do. If you want, I'm going to be making all these heads in the next episode. If I at least get, like, subscribers for it, I'll be searching links you tell me in the commentary and subscribe. And give me a like or... No. Like? There it is. Well, yeah, and sister will be helping me with my videos to make up from last week's videos because I didn't really know how to upload, but now I do. But yeah, if you give me commentaries next episode and subscribe and like it, I'll sing you a song and then put this in the next video. Or do a building challenge with my sister with Legos. And that means you guys get the vote for us. And yeah. So, talk. Here.
For whatever his building challenge, down below, tell us what you want us to build, and whoever...
And we'll get 20 minutes on the clock to build.
20 minutes to build, and you vote for the best one, and the next episode we will, I don't know. Back to you. What would you choose?
Okay. Yeah, we'll be, like, filming, and you guys vote, then whoever wins, whoever gets it right will get a Trevor t-shirt! Yeah! Well, actually, if you play AQ World, or Oversoul, put that if you play those games, and then you'll be then tell me your sister's name, and then in Roblox or AQ World, you'll be my special guest. Whoever gets me, like, whoever 100 voters subscribe to me, the first 100 people who like my video and subscribe, and the viewers, they'll win probably a t-shirt or a figure, but you have to give me your address and your password to your game account so I can give you, like, a season stuff. And I promise I won't hack it because I don't know how to hack. So.
Okay, if you play Roblox.
If you play Roblox, just tell me your password and username, and then I will give you your Roblox and tickets and make you a member.
A free t-shirt.
A what?
I'll give you a free t-shirt.
I'll give you a free t-shirt too. What says the Archfiend Army. So yeah. I'm friends with Adventure Intel on Roblox, and I'm friends with him on AQ World and Oversoul. So yeah, if you can commentary and comment below. So yeah, stuff I'll be doing is like, let's see this, this? Like, let's say my sister told me to do this. Like, make somebody like that.
I didn't tell him to do anything.
And then let's say, like, you put this guy, Boba Fett's head with, like this. Yeah, that's how I do it. So, well, first winner's only thing to do is you give me your amount, and then on Roblox, you tell me your username or password for your free tickets, and Roblox, whoever subscribes to me and gets me, and the first 100 subscribers will have to give me your password to Roblox or Oversoul or AQ World. Then I'll give you your stuff, but I promise I won't hack it. See, I pinky promise. Got it? Pinky promise. I won't hack it. So, yeah, if you can do that, you'll be my special guest in AQ World, and with their free no class and giving you your free action figure of AQ World and all. And yeah, so yeah, if you've seen my P98 episode, I didn't actually record that. For some reason it got onto my channel. Well, yeah, I don't know how I got onto my channel, but if you guys watched it, that was actually, I didn't actually record that. And I was trying to upload a song on for YouTube for you guys. I guess I accidentally uploaded P90, and so, yeah, I didn't actually do it. But yeah, if you want, put your commentary down below, or you die. I'm kidding though. What else do you want to see? Hey, you want to see my dog? No, go get the dog. Okay, do you hold this camera and talk for like a second? Talk about what we're going through.
I don't really know what to talk about. Just admire these, I guess. My brother dragged me into this. I do not. This is, I don't know. And here's our dog, Peaches.
Hi, Peaches. Daddy, well, I got 187 subscribers because I think I accidentally uploaded P90 on my account of YouTube.
Trevor.
And I got 181 views of it.
He didn't get 167 subscribers. He got 3, and he got 167 views.
Look.
Yeah, this is our dog. She's. Trevor, don't drag her. Don't drag her like that.
No, make her kiss the phone.
This is our dog. She's blind. She's like 10 or 11. I know. Peaches.
I'm recording right now.
No, come here. So say hi to the camera. Oh, go ahead, anything.
Yeah, she's blind, but she's still our baby. Her name's Peaches.
Hey, don't force her to do that.
Yeah, that's her dog. So if you can subscribe, we'll put this on and for you and me. I accidentally uploaded a P90 video. I was trying to upload one of my videos, and I guess I accidentally uploaded the P90. But well, I got commentary still.
Because that P90, everybody loves it.
Yeah.
167 views on that.
I won't be showing my dad because he doesn't like it being on camera.
He got 3 likes on that, though, so that's a lot of people. He has 3 subscribers.
I know.
Trevor's forcing me to take photos, you know.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I wish we can see show you our girlfriend's cat. Yeah.
Give me a soda, sir.
Hold on. I need to go get my dad a soda.
How is this video going to be? No, the camera's Daddy. The camera's facing the facing the counter. It doesn't have the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Trevor, you're clear.
Yeah, I'm back from getting our dad a soda. Hey, this one. Hello. Hi, Peaches.
Go to the store, we're going to
I'm a daddy.
cards, and we're going to get our coach put back on a few days.
Our dad's gonna go buy it. My dad's going to buy SIM cards.
We're going to go straight to wireless.
They're gonna join St. Tyke Wallace. And now he's saying Trevor enough.
You might want to write down your INEI.
So yeah, we're down.
I already have mine written down.
I'll go put these together first. R2D2, I think that's his name.
No,
R2D2. Right.
Turn the video now.
No.
How long do you make these?
20 minutes long. This is, it's my first video, by the way.
This is like your third or fourth.
This is my second episode. I'm trying to record here. This is my dad. We're going to Walmart. My dad's going to Walmart, I think. And this 3CPU, if I can get his head on. There it is. 3CPU. And Boba Fett. Boba Fett. Another Boba Fett. Yeah. If you guys keep subscribing, I'll keep the series coming on. Beatrice, woo! And there's this girl. Whoever's girlfriend, I don't know. Yeah, it's a random head and random piece. Which I don't know what goes on. Here, Betches. This goes to R2D2, so. Yeah. Okay, here's her hat. Yeah. Yeah, that bit, but Tristan, right? Yeah. And yeah. Yeah. Well, this is weird, but okay. Well, hi, Peaches. My dad's leaving. Wait, hold on. Can I come too? Where are you going? From where? We're going to Walmart, so. Yeah, but. Yeah. We're just gonna make this start 20 minutes long. What else shall we do? Okay, I need to go, so see. Hold on, let me